In this video, I am going to show you how and where to find your Google Classroom. Start by signing into your class link. Once in, find and click on the icon that says Google Classroom AD. And your home page will look very different from mine, and that's okay. You will need to click on the plus sign. It says create or join a class. Go ahead and click join class. You may enter one of the codes that I did provide 3 yesterday, so you may enter one of those. This is where you will be also entering your Jaffet 3rd grade class code. So I am going to log into the PE course using one of the codes that was provided yesterday. Click join. And we are in. The stream page is where you will find updates and announcements. The classwork tab is where you will find all of your assignments. And the people tab is where you get to see all of the teachers and classmates that are in this one classroom. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher and we will be more than happy to help you. Thanks.